Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I got for you a nice tip, and this is how to run music on your mobile phone in background. Okay, we know it all. We have a problem right now. YouTube is not allowing to listen to music in the background while doing something else with your phone. So YouTube app must be running. Okay, we know it all. Okay, I want to listen to this sound, whatever. Now I will go out, for example, trying to do something else with my phone, and that's it, music is gone. Well, I have the solution for that, guys. All you have to do is to install this app called Brave. Okay, this app is called Brave. Search for your playlist you want to listen. I'm using right now no copyright sounds, so I don't have any copyright strike on this video, but you can listen to any music you want. Okay, well, listen to your music, select your music, and then just go out. You can use right now your navigator or use wherever you want, play games, whatever. Okay, now especially for driving car, I like to drive my car and listen to music at the same time. Or you can play mobile games and listen at YouTube music at the same time. Okay, so that's really pretty nice. I can open now another apps. I can open a game. Music is still working on the background. How insane is that? Okay, all you have to do is, guys, is to install this app called Brave. Okay, you can find it on you can install it using the Play Store. This is the app called Brave. Install it and then enjoy listening to music in the background while using other apps, while using Google Maps or wherever on your phone. That's insane. Thank me later, and I hope that one day YouTube will fix the problem and do an update and we can do this without installing this app. But this is a way right now to listen to music on the background while using other apps on your phone. All you have to do is install the application called Brave. I will also in the video description show you a link of this app and to how to install it. See you soon. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like it. If yes, don't forget to smash the like button and maybe share this video with your friends, and tell me in the comment section if this also right now working for you. I will be so thankful for that, and I hope that I could help you. See you soon, fellas. Bye bye.